Are you fascinated by how Koreans look so young? Like seriously, they never seem to age. And have you been wondering how they manage this and how you can include the best products into your skincare routine, but you find it a bit overwhelming? Well, today I'm going to be sharing with you my top 3 hacks that you absolutely have to know because they can make a massive difference on your skin. Now, Korean skincare isn't just about what you put on your skin. It's an entire philosophy based on skincare, what you put into your body, so what you eat, and general routines as well. It's a lot more about prevention and a holistic approach. But let's start by looking at Korean skincare. Their ingredients are well known for being quite innovative, advanced, but natural at the same time. One of the most popular products in the Korean skincare routine is the essence. And I think a lot of people think this is a toner, but it's not. It's actually a supercharged serum that's full of antioxidants usually, a lot of hydration, so it will plump up the skin, it will brighten the complexion depending on what ingredients are in there. And after looking into a lot of different essences online, I decided to try Nambusin No. 3 essence because it's like everywhere. And I wanted to see what all the fuss was about and if it actually was any good. And I have to say, it's made a massive difference to my skin. When you put it on in the morning, I use it morning and night, you can see an immediate hydration. You see that plumpness and brightness to the skin. I'm absolutely loving this and I'm definitely going to continue using this. It contains a lot of interesting ingredients. It's high in fermented ingredients that will help with hydration and skin texture. It also has vitamin B3, which helps with brightness of the skin. And then it has a range of hydrating and calming ingredients that really help with the skin barrier and to hydrate the skin. And I've tried what Koreans do, the layering technique, meaning that you put this on many different times. And I have to say, it actually works. It's really good when I've had a late night, when my skin feels really dry. And when I've done it in the morning, I've put on sort of 3 to even 7 layers, and my skin has actually been glowing. Ginseng is a powerful anti-aging ingredient used in a lot of different Korean skincare products. And it's fantastic because it will help with hydration, it will help with barrier repair, and it really boosts that circulation, bringing nutrients and oxygen to your skin, basically more energy to your cells so that they can do their job. And it will also help with collagen production. You can look for this in creams, in serums, in sheet masks. And what you want to do is make sure that it's Panax ginseng or red Korean ginseng, because there's been studies showing that this is more potent for anti-aging purposes than other forms of ginseng. And I've started trialing this ginseng serum a couple of weeks back because I wanted to see how it works for this video, and I'm actually loving it. My skin is not irritated at all. I feel like it looks brighter. I'm using this in the evening when I'm not using my retinol, so I'm just using this after the essence before my hydration, and my skin seems to be really loving this. And of course, no Korean skincare routine is complete without their sheet masks. They use them all the time to get that kind of plump, hydrated glass skin look. And they're also loaded with minerals and vitamins. This one has ginseng, so they can do many different things for the skin, like brighten your skin as well. I used this one before filming today, and I have to say I really loved the effect it had. It did have that plumping effect and brightening effect, and it's definitely something I'm going to try to do a few times a week rather than maybe once a month. And being on the subject of masks, Koreans are big on their sleep masks. Now, these are masks that you physically put on like a cream and then you sleep in it, or they come as collagen masks that you apply to your skin before you go to bed, and then you peel them off in the morning and wake up with glowing, dewy skin. I have to say, I really love this collagen mask. It wasn't the easiest to sleep in, but when I took it off in the morning, oh my God, my skin was glowing. But as we know, beautiful skin starts from the inside, and Koreans do this very well. A traditional Korean diet is high in vegetables, fish, and fermented foods. And as we know, fermented foods are high in probiotics, which are very good for our gut. It reduces inflammation in our gut, and as a result, our skin becomes better, both in terms of aging, acne, and other skin issues. So fill up on kimchi, soybean paste, and seaweed. They're high in antioxidants, vitamins, minerals, and probiotics. And another thing the Koreans do well is they stay hydrated. They have a lot of teas and soups which hydrate them from the inside out. Facial massage is also a staple in Korean skincare, and as many of you will know, I'm big on facial massage because it increases that circulation, it increases collagen production, it will help with the absorption of products, and it can even help lift and firm your face when used with other methods as well. And then we have ice rollers. Koreans swear by this. You use them in the morning, they will really help depuff your face, they will re-energize your face, and even tighten the look of your skin. Now remember, the Korean approach to beauty is through a holistic approach, so the more of these tips you use, the better results you'll see. Now, if you'd like to learn more about how you can naturally rejuvenate your skin and your entire body, I would recommend you next watch my video on castor oil. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and please comment in the section below on your favorite Korean beauty products and hacks.